Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a ranking question in Surveymonkey quickly and easily. First, log into your Surveymonkey account and ensure you have your username and password handy. Next, find the survey you're working on or start a new one, then go to the Design Survey tab. After that, decide where you want to add your question and click plus New Question. From the list of question types, select Ranking. Now enter your question text. Make it clear, like rank the following features in order of importance. Then add your answer options, each on a separate line. Include at least 2 options, but more will give a comprehensive ranking. For example, price, quality, customer service, product selection, delivery speed. Optionally, add an NA column if some options may not apply to all respondents. To ensure consistent data, make the question required. Finally, click Save to store your question. And that's it. You've successfully created a ranking question in Surveymonkey, making your surveys more interactive and insightful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.